Hello everyone, going to do a review about this Hummer H1 in a 1/64 scale. It's from the brand Panzerkampf, and we know Panzerkampf because they make a lot of plastic models in a 1/72 scale. This is a 1/64 scale die-cast military miniature series number 007. Okay. Yeah, here we see US modern 4x4 utility vehicle with a grenade launcher. Already got a Humvee from the brand Panzerkampf in a 1/64 scale. Actually, it is pretty good. It's made almost completely out of die cast. But the other one I've got is with another weapon on top. We're going to have a look at that one after I unbox and review this one. Some information, freeze the frame if you are interested in it. Very nice packaging. Let's open this side and then we can slide it out. I think I don't... No screw. I like that. Those are my favorite packages. Yeah, here it is. Yeah, the wheels on the back are steering. I'm not sure if that is also with the real one, but with this one it is. Military Police I4, and here we got the grenade launcher. I love it that they painted the ammo. And the grenade launcher also looks very nice. Lanced headlights. Side mirrors, very important. Here we got the back, little piece of the antenna. No opening parts. Yeah, this is made out of die cast. This feels a little bit plastic. And here we have the base, very detailed base. I like that. Hey, we even got a shovel here in the back. That's a very nice detail. And also an axe. Yep. Shovel is the best one, the most detailed one. Okay, that's cool. Yeah, I'll show you the other one. Let's go over here. Yeah. Kitty is also here. I've got it here. It's pretty much the same. Let's bring it. No, let's do it over here. Why not? Then we have to remove this one right here. And then we can put this one right here. So here we have both Humvees, and you see it's the same like this one. Well, this one has a little bit mud on the wheels. I missed the shovel with this one. Yeah, but basically it's the same. And here we got a rocket launcher on top. No mud on the tires with this one, so besides the grenade launcher, that's the difference. Oh, I forgot to mention the side mirrors here. I see it here on this one. So yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to smash the like button and have a very nice day. Bye.